We never know what JavaScript can do because JavaScript itself doesn't know that. If we console log this array, we'll get the values of this array printed. Now, if we console just the 0th index, we'll get 10 because 10 is stored at the 0th index of this array. Now, if we log the index with multiple zeros, we'll still get 10 because this simply means 0 and we'll get the value at the 0th index. We'll get the same output if we use the 0 in the string. But now, if we use multiple zeros in the string, JavaScript does something unthinkable and gives us undefined. This happens because multiple zeros first get coerced into a single zero in JavaScript, and then the numeric value gets coerced into a string, and then the values are stored inside our array. This means that 0 in a string and multiple zeros in a string are different because the keys of the object array will be different when we use a single 0 as compared to multiple zeros. We can set the key with multiple zeros to any value, and when we log the array, we'll get a new key value pair added. The reason why this value is shown in a key value pair and the before three values are shown without any keys is because JavaScript treating the string keys and the whole number keys differently. If we try to set a value at -1th index, it will still get logged as a key value pair. This happens because the natural expectation of JavaScript for keys are non-negative integers. Only if we set a non-negative number as a key, then only will not set key value pairs being added, and simply the values will be shown. Not all keys unlock the same doors, and not all keys give you the same values in JavaScript.